thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this video of WordPress series, we will understand how you can add a WhatsApp button on your WordPress website easily so that your visitors who are coming onto your website can click on that WhatsApp button, redirect it to their WhatsApp account or WhatsApp web, and can easily contact you without actually copy and paste the number. So this functionality is very useful and very helpful when it comes to lead generation, and I would recommend every business owner who has a website to have this functionality on their website right away to improve the lead generation process. So in order to perform this functionality, you need to simply perform 3 steps. Number 1, to add a plugin. Number 2, to configure the WhatsApp icon or chat feature. And number 3, to test whether it is working properly or not. So in order to get the step number 1 done, what you need to do is come onto your WordPress dashboard, come onto your Word plugin section and click on add new plugin. Once you click on add new plugin, here on the right hand side in the search bar, you need to search for click to chat. You need to search for click to chat in the search box, and once you search for this, you will see multiple plugins. The first plugin is there, that is click to chat holy themes. You can use that. So in order to get it done, click on install now, and once the installation is done, you need to simply activate this plugin, and that's how your step number 1 will be completed. So we'll just activate this button. And now moving on to step number 2, that is to configure this plugin. Once you activated this plugin, you will see this plugin in your installed plugins list, and you will also see an option called click to chat on the left hand side on the bottom subbar, right? So you can click on this click to chat. Once you click on click to chat, you will see this kind of interface. If you see any kind of pop-up, you can just remove them. Now, first of all, it is asking for the WhatsApp number on which user will be contacting. So you need to enter your WhatsApp number. So in our case, we are entering our WhatsApp number, right? So on this number, we want leads to be received. Pre-filled message: when somebody is actually pinging you on WhatsApp, do you want them to send a specific message which can be a very frequently asked question? So it says, can you tell me more about this, or can you help me, or I want to know about this service or product. So you can get this particular message filled already, and you can pass multiple parameters like the website URL, website title, website address, right? So means the query parameters you can also pass, so that you can get to know on which page or from which page the website or the website visitor has clicked on that particular WhatsApp button, because this WhatsApp button will be global for your entire website, although you can exclude it from any of the specific page. Call to action: what you want to give this particular chat. So that's how the icon will look like. So if you hover on it, you say chat now, right now. So you can say WhatsApp us, for example. If you change it, so now if you hover on it, so it says WhatsApp us. So this is the preview of the button, how the button will look like. And now it says style and position. By default, this button will be right bottom in your WordPress website, both in desktop and mobile. If you want to change the position, then you can change it. Along with that, you can also change the style. So right now it is style 2, green square icon. Style 3, it can be only an icon. Style 1 can be theme button. Style 3 extended, that is large icon. Style 4, style 5, style 6, style 7. So there are multiple kind of styles available. So I just want to go with the basic theme because it is more recognizable and people can easily recall it. Position type fixed. If you want to get it fixed, that is the only option. Then position to place, right now it is bottom right. You can change this to, let's say, bottom or top, right? So I want to keep it bottom and I want to keep it on left side. So you can see it has now come to the left hand side. You can also give some pixel margin padding in terms of pixel. Right now 15 pixel and 15 pixel is the margin from left and bottom. You can increase it. Let's say I want to make it 50. And now you are seeing, as soon as I'm changing this, the icon placement is also changed. So this is based on your reference. So mobile and desktop settings are same. So you can also give in terms of percentage, like 10%, 20%. URL structure. Now, if you want to give any URL structure or fetch URL structure in the pre-filled message, then you need to use it. Otherwise, by default, you can leave it, not a problem. Now, display setting. If you want to by default show it on desktop and mobile both, then show. But if you want to, let's say, don't want to show on desktop, you can hide it. Although it will not be recommended. So by default, I am keeping it visible on the desktop and mobile. It is on global, yes. You want to hide on all pages or specific pages, you can do that. So for example, home page, yes, it is shown. Post, it is shown. You can hide it also on the post. Let's say you don't want to show a same button, WhatsApp button on the post, then you can hide it. Otherwise, you can keep it as it. If you don't want to customize these options, then you can go ahead and just scroll down and click on save changes. Once you click on save changes, now step number 2 is done. Step number 3 is to see whether this plugin is working properly or not. For that, you will come to our website, refresh the website once, and now you will see the WhatsApp icon is there on the left bottom as we place. Now if I click on it, it will redirect to the WhatsApp web because I am on my system right now. If you are on my mobile, then it will redirect you to your WhatsApp application, mobile application. And now from here you can see the name of the person to whom I am contacting, and here is the pre-filled message already there which we set in the WordPress dashboard. And now if I click on continue to chat, it will redirect me to the WhatsApp web, or if I have a WhatsApp application on my desktop, then it will redirect me to there also. So that's how you can add a WhatsApp functionality on your WordPress website step by step without any problem in just couple of minutes. And this is very useful in order to generate leads and in order to get connected with your website visitors. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, you know the drill. You need to like this video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update whenever we upload a new video on our channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.